Log in with your username and password. You must complete each level before moving on. When you see the chevron, click anywhere on the screen to move on. To look around, hold the mouse and drag, or use your finger and drag. Look in the journal to see items you've collected and workmates you've met. The glossary is where you'll find more information about the terms used in silviculture. Click on the X to exit the journal. Click on the menu for other options. Lose points for incorrect answers and collect points for correct answers. Click and drag on the spot to scroll. Click on the chainsaw when you're ready. Your score will be recorded at the end of each level.